How to add wishlist in Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can add in a wishlist on your Shopify store. So guys, when you guys are logged in into Shopify, this is the dashboard that you guys are gonna see. So from over here, click on the bottom left where you guys see applications. Now from over here, simply click on recommended apps and now click on Shopify App Store. So once you guys are taken over to the Shopify App Store, then now from over here, simply type in over here wishlist. So when you guys type in wishlist, now you guys can see many of these applications come up. So look for the application that is either free and has a lot of reviews or has a free trial and is free. So in my opinion, I think that this application is going to be better because this is paid. So we're going to go with this one. And this one is absolutely free. This has over 400 reviews, and this is going to allow users to create a wish list of their favorite items on your Shopify store. So guys, if you guys were to click on add application, that is going to simply add this particular application to your Shopify store, and then after that you guys can simply install the application, and now you will have this particular application inside your Shopify store. So guys, that is how easy it is to add a wish list to your Shopify store, and I hope that this particular video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Take care, till next time, goodbye.